Hello home bakers and welcome back to Drmummycakes channel. In this video I make my delicious vanilla bean cupcakes with my child and we had so much fun. I'll show you ways to involve your children in baking, get them learning baking early and have fun making sweet treats. I'm really sure that you're going to enjoy this video.
Today we're going to make some cupcakes for Mummy's birthday.
Okay, so what's your job?
My job is to help her and being the taster. I'm going to beat these ones in the orange. Don't push them too hard or they'll break. You need to do gently, not so hard. Like this. And then you need to get all of them until it's finished. And I have 2 pans, so when I'm finished, I can put another. If I run out, I can just get more from the box.
This recipe uses a 1-to-1 measurement of all the key ingredients. So weigh up your eggs in the shell and the weight of the egg is the same amount of weight of your butter, sugar and flour that you need. So here I'm using stock, which is a butter substitute, and I'm going to measure out the same amount of butter as the eggs weighed. Measuring is fun for kids, so you can get your kids to help you with measuring. But just be prepared for some mess. So I'm weighing the butter directly into my mixing bowl. Next, I'm weighing up my caster sugar. Same amount of weight as the butter and the eggs. Pour the sugar in with the butter. You can also get your child to do this step. And you can also get them to turn on the mixer on and off. The creaming process will take between 5 to 10 minutes. You want to keep creaming until it looks like this, as I'm showing you here in the video. See how the butter and the sugar is beautifully creamed. Nice, fluffy, pale, more white than what we started off with. Nearly almost doubled in size. This is what you want to be aiming at, and it's very important to do this as this will give your cakes a nice light texture. So this is the creaming process. Next, add in all your eggs all at once, and you want to mix on high speed for about a minute until the eggs are incorporated into your mixture. Next, I'm going to add in my secret ingredient, Greek yogurt. I really like using Greek yogurt for my cakes as it makes my cake really moist, and I find that the Greek yogurt enhances the flavor of my cake. If you don't have Greek yogurt, you can use sour cream as a substitute. I love using these in my cakes. The flavoring for this cake is vanilla bean, so I'm using vanilla bean paste. If you want to learn more about the flavoring ingredients used in baking, you should check out my Baking 101 series. The link is showing at the top of your screen, or you can find it in the description box. And I've done a whole entire series looking at all the different types of ingredients used in baking, so you really should check out the Baking 101 series. Once the vanilla bean paste is in, mix on medium to high speed for 30 seconds up to a minute. This recipe uses self-raising flour, so we're measuring up the same amount of flour as the butter and the rest of our key ingredients. Pour it into your mixer bowl and mix on low speed until it's just combined. Do not over mix. This is what your finished cake mixture should look like. You can't see any of the flour anymore. It's been well mixed into, but you certainly don't want to over mix your cake mixture, otherwise your cakes will not be soft and fluffy. What do you think about it?
It looks great.
Okay.
It looks like the same height.
Okay. And shall we put it in the oven?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's important you're grown-ups do it. The oven might be hot.
Aha. So you get your grown-ups to put it in the oven. So you
if
carry...
If you're 20, then you're okay.
If you're 20, you could. Okay, let's go. I cook my cupcakes at 160 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Depending on your oven, you might need to adjust the time. The way to test is what I've done. You put a skewer or a cocktail stick, and if it comes out clean, then it's done. And here is our finished cupcakes. You can tell that they're not all the same size because we've not put the same amount of batter. But my boy was so proud of himself and his work. And as a final task, I got him to take the cupcakes out of the cupcake tin and put it out so that it could cool down. And once it cooled down so slightly, we both enjoyed a cupcake, which we both enjoyed making together. So there you have it, a fun day baking with my child. I hope that you'll try making cakes with your kid and your child at home. It's so much fun and it's a great way to get kids starting on baking. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and I really hope that you have subscribed to my channel and clicked the on notification button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week for another baking tutorial. Goodbye and happy baking.